welcome back to our HighOh channel, and today we're going to talk about our HighOh period starter panties kit. Oh, that's pretty long. Alright, so how is everyone? I hope everyone is doing great. And if you could see that in 2021, our HighOh is going to a different direction in a way in which we want to talk about more of the heroes of the real world, right? The influencers, the HighOh customers that are actually struggling right now. So you can see all the different stories right now, like Bianca's story, Lorna's story, Carmen's story. These are real world people that are struggling right now. Alright, today we want to talk about our new launch, our pre-order basis till 7 April. Alright, so it is our HighOh period starter panties kit. So this is the one. If you have taken a look at our website, we actually have this panty challenge. Please go and take a look. Thank you very much. So this time round, we are doing a pre-order basis. Why? Because the other time when we were asking our influencers as well as our customers, what is the majority of the women, or rather what do you wear, for what sizes do you wear for the panties, and we did not have a very clear distinct answer. We had S, we had M, we have L, we have XL. And to be very honest, HighOh is a small family business and it's run by my sister and I. We are just a very small family business and we do not have the sufficient fund to produce so many different sizes, for everyone. So we are launching based on different sizes first. For example, M and L. Assuming that when we got the survey feedback, it was around 62% that it's around 62% in which women are wearing M and L. So there wasn't a very clear distinction, but so far we only have M and L. That is why we are releasing these two sizes. Now, what about S? What about XL? Definitely we are releasing this on April. So take note, this is the reason why we are doing pre-order basis, because we are just a small family business. We do not have the sufficient funds to produce at a very huge range of sizes. So please do support. Alright, so now today we want to talk about the HighOh period starter panties kit. So this is the one. Alright, so as you can see, this is a mesh form. Sorry, that's my dog. So this is the mesh form. Alright, it's very breathable and it's all the way the back. So you can see it has a waterproof lining. And if you take a look at the panties challenge, you can see how remarkable we managed to come out with our own menstrual panties kit. Alright, so what is the story behind this? Okay, to be very honest, in the market, we are not the very first one to come out with this menstrual panties. Now, the thing right now is that by now you should know that our family is not a well-to-do family. We are struggling to keep the business alive, and so what's going on is that every single cent matters. And when we saw the different panties in the market, we were very surprised because it is very expensive. That's the first thing we had in mind. Like, it ranges from 30 to 40 pounds. I was pretty shocked, which is around probably maybe 40 to 50 USD. My sister and I wanted to purchase one for ourselves because we felt that this could be very beneficial to us, when we sleep. And it was so expensive, we can't believe our eyes when we were shopping online. So we decided to come up with our own period starter panties kit because we always believe there's a much more affordable way to achieve the same goal as the others menstrual panties, or even better. And this time round, if we managed to do certain research, we saw our own menstrual panties again, just like our menstrual pads. We saw it ourselves, we tested out, we tried it on. This time around, our mother actually came in to help us because we had trouble sewing the back part here. You can take a look, we had trouble sewing this back part. This is actually one of our special sewing methods in which allowing the liquid or blood to be contained in the underwear. So our mother came in to help us, and we realized the cost is really high because we are actually purchasing bamboo fiber this time around. It's eco-friendly, cruelty-free, very good absorption rate. We still can't believe it, alright? We're just astonished and shocked by the rate and how fast it absorbs, alright? So the thing is, basically we know how expensive menstrual panties are outside in the market right now, and so that is why we are very determined to come out our own HighOh period starter panties kit. So for this period starter panties kit, it absorbs around medium flow, and it comes with 2 pairs of menstrual panties as well as a wet bag. Now, we wanted to purchase the menstrual panties. We felt that these menstrual panties should be able to be worn in all sorts of occasions, including when you're exercising, heading to the gym, attending yoga, Pilates classes. That's the point of why you're wearing a menstrual panties, right? Like, it should be comfortable in all occasions. And we realized one thing. How are you going to change your menstrual panties if you don't have a wet bag in the first place? Like, where do you store your soiled panties? Because technically, on an average menstrual panty, it holds up to 4 to 6 hours worth of blood, and you do not have a wet bag to store. So we decided to give a wet bag inclusive of the 2 menstrual panties. That is why we have this wet bag with you. And why we have 2? Because we felt that it is a good number of menstrual panties to be worn within one day. Now, these can be worn in gym, worn in Pilates class. You will feel very comfortable, and just like all our customers and influencers will say that you'll be sitting like on marshmallows, and it really felt like that. The best part I always love is its absorption rate. Plus, it has all the way to back. To be honest, my sister and I are total convert of our own products, because right now, during daytime, sometimes we wear our menstrual pads. At the same time, sometimes we wear our panties, depending on our mood. And we really love this. And we really hope that you will support our small family business in our pre-order basis, because right now we are accepting orders through pre-order at a 20% discount. Yeah, so whatever you see on the website, it is actually 30% discount, and after 7th of April, the discount will not be there anymore. Alright, so we hope that you can continue to support us and manage to help us start the ball rolling and able to provide even different sizes to customers out there, like S and XL. So if you have any questions, do kindly contact us through DM. Always DM us through Instagram or Facebook, because or even YouTube comments, because we always listen to them. I've already planned to release other sort of products, alright? It's a secret, right? So hope to see you again. See ya. Bye.